Pauline, and have I got another quick fix Wednesday's dish for you. If you are interested in this dish, why not stay with me on this Jamaica's cooking experience where I will teach you how to prepare this dish. It's not by chance you're here today, so why not touch that subscription button, click subscribe, share this channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Leave your comment in the section below and don't be afraid to follow me on Instagram at Wims2020 and like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoes. Thank you guys for coming along with me today on this, my quick fix for you. Now, as I said before, guys, I will be doing stewed chicken gizzard. Now, this is an unusual yet unique part of the chicken, and not many people know that you can stew it and get a very delicious, tasty meal. But trust me, we Jamaicans, we know about this because growing up, we're not sure anything from the chicken apart from the intestine and the feather. We'll eat every part of the chicken. So I'm going to show you how we can make a very tasty dish with this chicken gizzard. Now, when you cook it, it has a unique taste because it's pure muscle, and so you get that muscle texture in your mouth, and it has to be cooked properly in order to get that fine cuisine from it. So in the pot, guys, I have 2 tablespoons of oil, and I've pressed a clove of ginger, and I'm just waiting for my pot to warm. I want my oil to be hot and ready to go. Now, guys, you want to put this bad boy in the oil before it gets popping hot because you don't want an accident in the kitchen. So, guys, I'm just going to leave this and let it just come to a fry because you want to fry off that juices from the gizzard, and you don't want that kind of flavor there in your gizzard. So, guys, after frying it off, I covered the pot. I didn't put any water in it. And guys, just look at this. This is just the natural water and moisture in the gizzard. So guys, I'm going to leave this. I'm not going to put it in a pressure pot. I'm just going to leave this to slow cook. I turned the flame to low heat and leave it to slow cook. I went to do my household chores, and after about an hour and a half, guys, this is what I have. I added my browning sauce because I wanted to get a nice golden brown color. I add to that some carrots, some onion rings, some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, tomato slices, and I just stir this in because I want all the flavors from the seasoning to blend in. People don't know already, Jamaican call with vegetable them we put in our meat to cook down in our stew, we call it our seasoning. So guys, I'm just stirring this to activate the flavors because guys, it smells good already. All right, guys, remember to subscribe to Wims2020. Check the description box for all the information about my social media sites. Remember, people, turn on your post notification bell so you'll get video as soon as I upload it. So people, may I got nice up the thing, you know. I've added 1.5 spoons of blended tomatoes, and guys, I've added 1/2 teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. It's Scotch bonnet sauce, people. So guys, I'm just gonna stir this in. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of ketchup to this and some sweet and sour sauce. I'm gonna add some fresh seasoning to this. I'm gonna add some black pepper. It's a blend of peppers. I'm gonna add this to it. I'm gonna add some garlic salt to it, guys, and just about 1/4 cup of water. People, but that give me one special season named Creole Caesar. It's a little bit high on sodium, guys, but it adds a special flavor to your meat and sauce. The information about it, it's in the description box, so check it out, people. All right, guys, I'm just gonna lower my flame, let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and dinner will be served. Now, guys, just look at the gravy. This is what you want your gravy or your sauce to look like in your giblet. So once again, friends, it's another of my mother's recipe from my pot onto my daughter's table. I sure hope you enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me, cooking stewed chicken gizzard, Jamaican style. Today's food for thought comes to us from Proverbs 18 verse 20, borrowed from alittleperspective.com. A man's belly shall be filled with the fruit of his mouth. With the increase of his lips, he shall be satisfied.